Typically, blue screen errors are something that you want to avoid. After all, nobody wants to actually create a blue screen error. However, if your goal is to learn about blue screen errors, then you need to be able to create such an error on demand. So now, before I show you how to create a blue screen error on demand, it kind of goes without saying that you shouldn't do this on a production system. You should only do this in a lab environment. So with that said, let's go ahead and cause the system to blue screen. I'm going to click on the Start button. And then I'm going to go to the W section. I'll expand Windows System. And then I'm going to right-click on Command Prompt. Click on More and Run as Administrator, and this is going to open Command Prompt window. I'll click Yes. So to create a blue screen error, we're going to use a native Windows tool called taskkill. So I'll go ahead and type taskkill. And we need to provide a few parameters to go along with this. I'm going to use /im. And then we need to provide a name for a process. So what we're essentially doing is we're shutting down a critical system process so that the system has no choice but to blue screen. So the process that I'm going to shut down is svchost.exe. So that's svchost.exe. Now, normally Windows is designed so that it won't shut down critical system processes, because shutting down such a process is usually considered to be a bad thing. So what we're going to have to do is force the shutdown of the svchost process, and we do that by appending /f to this command, F standing for force. So we've got taskkill /im svchost.exe /f, and when I press enter, the system should wait for a couple of seconds, and then we'll see a blue screen. So as you can see, the system blue screen. And if you've never seen one of these before, this is what a blue screen error looks like. So that's how you create a blue screen on demand.